Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install our pet bike trailer. So first of all, let's open the box and let's see how it looks like. I'm going to show you all the pieces that you get once you open the box and you receive your pet bike trailer. So here is the main part, all the pieces are inside. I will show you all of that one by one. Oh yeah, we have another piece, I'm going to show you that in a second. Let's just move this one down. Okay, and another thing that you get, if you want to add this as a decoration in the end, but let's go step by step. So first let me show you all the pieces that you get with this bike trailer for your pet. So you are going to have two wheels. We're going to install them together. And you also have all the details in the manual how to use it. So if you have any worries, you can check everything there. So the first step we are going to do, there is another part here as well. So we are going to add these together as well so you can see how it looks like. So the first thing we are going to do now is make sure that this is stable. So we have to add this tube here and make it stable. Now we are going to lock it inside to make sure that it stays in place and close it here so it looks nice. We can add, if you want, you can keep this one open or you can just close it, really depends on how you want to go for it. And the same thing for this part in front, you do have two layers so you can choose if you want to close the mesh or not. The next thing we need to do is use the wheels. So we're going to take off this part here on the top. You just need to press this button and then you can add the wheel. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Take off the protection, press the button and add the wheel. Okay, we heard the click, it's all ready to go. Now we are gonna add these parts. So here, this part is just gonna slide here. Perfect, we're gonna do the same on the other side. Now I'm gonna take this off. And we can connect it to the bike. It's ready to be connected to the bicycle and you can use it then. So. Let me bring the bike in. Okay, once the bicycle is in here, we can connect it just by disconnecting this part here. Then we're gonna add the trailer. Just find the perfect angle. As much as you can so it makes it stable, it's not moving much. Okay, so now I can connect it here and just put this back and that's it. Now your bike trailer for pets is ready to go. The installation for the pet trailer is finished. Make sure to visit petcycle.com for more information.